Hello there and welcome. I'm Bob Proctor and I'm here in Bucharest, Romania. I've just completed a seminar. There were 600 people here. Claudia was in the seminar. Now Claudia studies our material, she teaches our material, she's one of our consultants. Claudia, if somebody wanted to be a consultant, do you think it's a good move for them? Or if they wanted to study our coaching, if they wanted to coach with us for 13 months, what would you suggest?
Well, absolutely. They should just make the decision now and start now to teach this. I mean, for me, it has been life-changing. My life totally changed. I'm just doing this since 2 years, but everything around me, everything has changed. It has been the best move I've ever done. For me, I want to bring this program to all the Eastern European countries. I'm from Germany. I'm coming from the East. I did escape the East. For me, just studying this material and studying on a daily basis, wow, I mean, what it does for you, it is just phenomenal. It really, absolutely is changed, it's life-changing. It's the best I've ever imagined. I mean, I couldn't even, I'm so glad, I'm just so honored, you know, wow, just speechless.
Listen, I made up my mind years ago that I was going to work with my mentor, Earl Nightingale. And in 1965, I did that. I started a company 41 years ago. And I made up my mind we were going to operate all over the world. And we would work with people all over the world. And here's Claudia now from the East, although I'm in the West. But we operate all around the world, 47 countries. We have people in our coaching program, and then others who want to work with us, as Claudia does, as consultants. If you're interested in working with us in life success, give us a call, because we're interested in working with you. We've got a big job to do. We can have a lot of fun. If you're just interested in improving what you're doing, join our coaching program. 13 months. I work with you every week. You'll see your life change, just like it has for Claudia. This is Bob Proctor, and thank you.